Then where we go?
We're going that way, and no, basically we're going very close now. It's not too far. Yeah, we are right here in the city, so it won't be a problem. And we're looking for this little waterfall and a lake. Let's see how cool it will be, right? Bom dia, galera! Eu estou aqui com Noah one more time in another adventure, right, Noah?
Yeah.
Yes, this adventure actually is in the city of Santa Bárbara do Oeste. This beautiful city have some, like the other awesome city in São Paulo, Brazil, have so much little natural spot than you guys missing. I didn't know this place, but my friend Leonardo, thank you very much. Say hi, Uncle Leo.
Hi, Uncle Leo.
He told me about this spot. I'm not sure 100% if you can drink this water, guys, but I'm seeing some sign of the people coming here and do fishing, you know. So I don't know how safe is this, you know, guys. Look the bird. Quiet, gotta be quiet here. We're gonna see if we can film it. Catch it with the drone, all right? What do you think? Huh?
Yeah.
I hope you like it, guys. All the area, nothing big as you saw, small lake, very close to the city. I'm gonna give you all the details in my description how to reach here. So until the next time, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, and stay tuned for the next video coming ahead. Right, Noah?
Yeah.
What you gotta say for the people? Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.